This video will show you how to collect the sample of adrenal saliva cortisol test. This sample is from LabCorp. You can also get the sample from Doctor Data or Diagnostic Tech or Quest. So when you receive this kit, there will be 4 different specimens, or sometimes it can be 5 or 6 specimens depending on what time of the day. So you're gonna open the box when you go home. There will be a lab requisition bag like this and 4 different types of specimens. So each of these specimens is one at a time that you're gonna do in your day. This box is for 4 specimens, which means you're gonna do it on one day at 8 a.m., 12 p.m., 4 p.m. and before bedtime. If you wake up around 5:36, I would always suggest the first specimen is when you wake up, before you have food or coffee or drink. Then you can calculate about 4 hours after. Every 4 hours, collect the specimen, and the time before bedtime will be a good time. Now, when you collect this, there will be some instructions in the bag. It looks like this. Follow these instructions. And the first thing they ask is wash hands with soap and water, dry thoroughly. 2, place the cylindrical cotton pad in your mouth. So you will open each of these bags and you can just open these out. And you can really take this white piece and you place them under your mouth until all of these cotton become wet and soak up your saliva. Then number 3, roll the cotton pad in mouth for about 90 seconds. Number 4, once pad is saturated with your saliva, return it to the tube and close the topper. And then you would write your name, day of birth, and time along these tubes. Also another specimen bag, for example, this bag, it will have your label. So the label of your patient name, day of birth, and date of collection. Sorry, it's a little bright to see. When you finish fill it out, you will take one of those tags, peel it off, and label on top of the tag. And you can have 2 labels, one label and one that you write down. Once you finish with your label, you will put these things in the freezer. Each of these specimens, once you collect at that time, put them in the freezer. Make sure to write down the first specimen, date, AM or PM, and circle day 1. We do only one day at a time. Sometimes I can do day 2. And a second specimen, what day, AM or PM, etc. until you finish the 4th specimen or 5th or 6th. In this, they also have the saliva collection like this again, so you can also follow that instruction. Now, one of the tags will be the lab requisition. So for me, for physician, we're gonna cross out saliva cortisol 4 specimen 8 a.m. to midnight, but that can be crossed out and it will become before bedtime. Day 1, you will put all of the 4 specimens in this bag and this paper in the front. The day after you collect, about 24 hours, let's say you go to bed about 9 p.m. or 10 p.m., all of these are gonna be in your freezer. In the morning when you wake up, take that out, go to the LabCorp and drop this off. So once you have your name, your requisition paper, all the specimens, put them in a box and drop them off at the LabCorp. They will recognize who you are and the result will come to the provider so we can follow up